What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you an arbitrage opportunity on Bybit that involves USDT/ETH pair. All right, so I'm going to be performing a live demo trade, showing you exactly how you can make up to 270 USDT, which when converted to my local currency, it's worth over 400k plus. Okay, so it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial, guys. All right, so make sure you stick with me all through this video. Don't skip any part of it, so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay. So if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is TV, and what to do here is to give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Bybit account dashboard right now. So before you can start trading right here on Bybit, you first of all need to have signed up successfully on Bybit and as well do your KYC. Okay, so guys, the sign up link to Bybit is going to be on this video description, and also it's going to be on my Telegram channel. So all you just simply need to do is go over there, hit on the sign up link to actually register on Bybit, guys. All right, so when you are done with that, the next step would be to start trading right away. Okay, so how do we begin this trading right now, guys? So it's quite easy. All you simply do is over here that is P2P trading, you just simply need to hit on P2P trading, guys. Okay, it's going to load up. Okay, here we are. So first of all, we're going to be buying USDT, guys. Okay, so how can we buy USDT? So as you can see, all these are traders right here who are willing to sell USDT to you. All right, so first of all, I'm going to hit on this place right here that is amount to actually filter this trade. Okay, so let's say I'm actually buying USDT worth 1 million naira. I'm going to hit on 1 million right here. Okay, then over here that says confirm, I'm going to hit on confirm, guys. All right, then over here that says all payment method, I'm going to hit on it and select bank transfer, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on confirm. Okay, so as you can see, all these are traders right here who are willing to sell USDT to you. As you can see right here, this guy has a 99% score and he has done over 1,764 orders. Okay, as you can see, this is his quantity right here, 702.554 USDT. I'm going to hit on buy right here, guys. Okay, guys, so over here that says with crypto, I'm going to hit on with crypto right here and just impute 1,000 USDT right here. Okay, so this is it. So as you can see, 1,000 USDT is going to give us 1,535,400 naira. Okay, so make sure you take note of this, guys. All right, so now let's assume that we've got 1,000 USDT right here. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now, guys. I'm going to go back. So the next step would be coming over to the trade section right here, and then you simply select ETH/USDT. Okay, so if you are not seeing your own right here, just like mine, all you simply do is hit on it right here. Okay, and then you select it. You just type in ETH, okay, /USDT. So this is it right here. So I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, so right now, guys, we're going to purchase Ethereum worth 1,000 USDT. So how do we do that? So as you can see down below here that says USDT, I'm just simply going to type in 1,000 USDT right here. So as you can see, 1,000 USDT is going to give us a sum of 0.33729 Ethereum. Okay, so make sure you take note of this, guys. I'm going to copy this, amount right here. I'm going to copy. Okay, so right now the next step will be going back to the P2P section to actually sell this Ethereum. So we'll actually make profit, guys. Okay, so let's go. Here we are back on my dashboard, guys. So you just simply hit on P2P trading right here. Okay, it's going to load up and then you hit on sell right here, guys. Okay, then over here that says USDT, you just simply hit on it and just select Ethereum. Okay, so this is it, guys. So right now, guys, we just simply need to filter the amount right here and also select the payment method. Okay, we're going to hit on amount and just simply type in 1 million. Okay, I'm going to hit on confirm. All right, and over here that says all payment method, I'm going to hit on it and select bank transfer. Okay, so that is it. I'm going to find someone who is currently online, so I sell to the person. Okay, all right, so as you can see, guys, this guy over here called Trinity is currently online right now. He has done about 236 orders so far and he has about 91% score. And over here says that it has about 29 Ethereum. So this guy is actually a perfect match. So over here that says sell, I'm going to hit on sell, guys. So let's see how this goes. Okay, it says price has changed. So let's just find someone else, guys. Okay, guys, so let's try this guy over here called Ahmad on top. Okay, here we are, guys. So if I actually type in the amount right now of Ethereum we actually bought on the spot market, if I paste it right here, we're not going to be seeing the value we're going to be getting. Okay, so how do we see the value? All we just simply need to do is go over to my calculator right now, and then we just multiply this amount right here of 0.33729 Ethereum by this amount right here of 4,681,000. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my calculator right now. So we'll just do the maths and see how it goes, guys. If we're going to be in profit or loss. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on my calculator right now. So I'm going to paste the amount of Ethereum we bought on the spot market right here. And then I multiply by 4,681,089.94. Okay, so guys, as you can see right here, this is the amount we're going to be getting after we sell our Ethereum. Okay, we're going to be getting the sum of 1,578,884.8 naira. Okay, so this is the amount we'll be getting, guys. So let's actually subtract this amount from the amount we used in buying USDT on the P2P section. Okay, I'm going to minus it right now by 1,535,400. Okay, so as you can see, our profit will be making after the sale of our Ethereum is going to be 43,484.8 naira. Okay, so guys, this is basically how you can actually make profit trading Ethereum right there on Bybit. All right, and the most amazing part is that you can actually do this multiple times. So let's say you actually do this 10 times in a day. Okay, times 10. So that's going to give you 434,848 naira. Okay, so guys, this is how easy it is. Okay, so the thing is, arbitrage is much more profitable with a good amount of capital. So that is the reason why, if you actually want to start doing arbitrage, you need to have a good amount of capital so you make more profit for yourself. Okay, and mind you, you also need to be fast on trades, guys. Arbitrage can last up to 10 to 20 minutes. All right, so you just need to be fast so you keep on making profits for yourself. All right. So guys, you can also join my paid trading group to get wonderful signals on a daily basis that can make you profit. Okay, even with low capital as low as 50 USDT or 100 USDT, you can actually make profit for yourself. Okay, so I'm going to go over to CoinMarketCap right now so I show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to go there right now, guys. Here we are, guys. So as you can see, this token right here called Ego is currently sold on BingX for the sum of 0.00304. And right here on Bybit, it's sold for 0.003269. So this is actually a 7% profit right here. So let's say you actually enter this trade right now with, let's say, $50 or $100. You're going to make some good amount of profit for yourself. Okay, and I actually give you this kind of signals on a daily basis on my paid signal group, guys. All right, so you just simply buy the Ego coin on BingX and then you go over to Bybit to sell. Quite easy, guys. Okay, and the transfer fee is very, very minimal. Okay, you're going to make so much profit for yourself. So this is how I actually give you profit right there on a daily basis. All right, so if you actually want to join the group, guys, my Telegram channel and also my WhatsApp group is going to be on this video description. So all you just simply need to do is join my groups, and then you just simply contact me telling me you actually want to join the group, and boom, guys, you're going to be on the group. Okay, so guys, this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. So if you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever we done TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you just watched right now, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so thank you all for watching this video once more. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.